there, this is Sydney over at Cool Beans Websites, and I'm going to show you a little bit about how to format your articles in WordPress. So first of all, when you write an article, you're going to put your title right up here in this top line. Now, down here in this section, you'll see there's a little drop-down menu right here, and it's got paragraph and then all these different headings. This heading 1 is what Google and other search engines will place the most importance on as far as what's in your article. So that's automatically applied to this title right here in most templates, and especially if I made it for you. Now, you don't want to put any other heading 1 tags throughout your article. Just leave it at 1. As far as the rest of your article goes, you can use other headings as much as you want. But the idea is that Google wants you to communicate to the people who are going to read your articles as far as, you know, how is your article divided up? What are the sections and subsections, and where do you want to place importance and attention? So if you're doing that, then you're doing it the way you really should do it. In this case, you can see this line right here. It already, when I have it highlighted, it says heading 2 because that's what heading I put it at. If I put it at heading 3, then it'll say heading 3 right here. Even like, see, if I move down here, I can see what heading is this already. Oh, it's heading 3. If I want to change that, I just hit the drop down and click whichever one I want. But I'm going to go ahead and change this one to heading 2. Now, I can also, I don't have to highlight the whole thing. I can just highlight, or not highlight, but click my mouse anywhere in this line. And it will automatically consider that that whole thing is highlighted when I change the format. Okay, so I'm going to leave that at heading 2. Now, again, you don't want to overuse these, right? You want to just make it so that it makes sense for somebody who's reading it. So you're not going to come in here and make this whole paragraph into some heading. You generally just want to leave that at paragraph. If there's a particular section here you want to place importance on, you could highlight it and make it bold using this B button right here. But that's up to you. Okay, now another thing here is sometimes you'll see that, oh gosh, you're in here and there's no drop-down menu right here. That will happen if you've got text clicked right here in this area, these right-hand tabs, instead of visual. So if that happens, just come over here and click visual and you'll get all these little icons back here at the top. Another thing that can happen sometimes is you'll find that this happens, right? Let me show you. First, let me mess this up so you can see how it looks. Now, see, I'm gonna, these are on, they look like they're in separate lines, right? Like this is still the heading, and then you've got a paragraph right below it. But watch what happens if I just want to turn this into a heading. Oh no, now it has formatted my entire paragraph as heading 3. Well, I don't want that. Google doesn't like that. I don't want that. Here's how you fix that. You just put your mouse here at the very end of your title line, your subtitle line. You hit the delete button so that it brings this whole paragraph up. Now you hit enter. And see how your space is now bigger between the two? Now you really have shown that this is a separate paragraph from this title. So now just put your mouse anywhere in this paragraph, go up here, hit the paragraph button, voila. And then you can save it whenever you're ready or publish it whenever you're ready. And that should do it for you. Holler if you have more questions.